So hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today we have this brand new foldable feature phone with us. It is called Snexian Fold Rock, as you can see. So today in this video guys, we are going to unbox this device. We will look at its features, and lastly I'll tell you whether this device is worth buying or not. So guys, before starting this video, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit that subscribe button, press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get straight into the video. So here is the box, as you can see. Okay, so let me just remove this plastic wrap. Okay, and here is the box. As you can see, it says fold and rock, and it is from Snexian. As you can see, brand logo, and we have the device image here in yellow color. You can see in the right side we have again Snexian logo, and at the back we have some color options like gray and green. And this is a foldable box. So let me just unfold this. So yeah, we have this magnetic clip, and here's the specs, quick specifications of the device. So you have 2.8-inch display. This is very big display considering the feature phone. And we have notepad, magic slate, and power charging, and we have type C charger, and 1800 mAh battery, and wireless FM, torch, and dual sim. So these are the specs. And again we have device image. So, and tada, here is the device. As you can see, we have in the green color. So let me just take this out. So as you can see, we have device. So, and apart from this, inside the box we get this charger and nothing. As you can see, box is empty. So let me just keep this thing side. So, and here is the device itself. So here is the plastic wrap. So let me just remove this. Okay, and at the back we have again plastic wrap. So this is the best feeling in the world. Okay, wow, it is very shiny and looking very good. So let's start with the physical overview. So here is the camera. As you can see, it is a single camera and these two are dummy. And so here you can see we have SIM tray, and this is a torch switch. So yeah, so this is nice thing, I would say. So let me just unfold this device, and here's the device. And you can see in this side we have device itself, and this is a notebook which is erasable, electronic notebook. So you can note and make notes in this side, and this is a normal feature phone. So that is nice thing. So let me just power this on. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is now on, and we have many options. Okay, let me just unlock this. Start. So here we can see we have menu options, and so let me just go to the menu. Okay, so phone is actually telling you what is that particular item is. Okay,
Profiles, tools, settings, camera,
Okay, let me just open camera. So as expected, camera is of very bad quality, I would say. And apart from that, we have some games as well. So we have F1 race. Actually, single game we have, which is F1 race. So let me just play this for you. Oh, okay. So that was nice game. And in settings, we have phone settings, security, connectivity, king voice, and horse light set. So what is that? Okay, we'll check this later. And apart from these things, uh, device seems good in terms of working, I would say. So let me just test this notebook. So let me just take this stylus pen out. So here we go. Let me just write something. Okay, so as you can see, notebook is working good. So you can write anything, and if you want to erase, just click on this button and it is gone. So it's working good. So if you fold the device, it automatically get locked. Key guard actually get locked, and if you unfold, it is unlocked. And when it locks, LED blinks, as you can see. So these LEDs are actually looking good. And we have torch. So here is the torch. It is very bright torch, nice looking. Overall guys, as you can see, this is very unique device and looking quite good for the price. It is available under 2000 rupees. So for the price, it is very interesting device. It is very unique. And if you want a phone with these unique features, then you can definitely go for this device. It is worth for money. And it is again, it is looking very good and very interesting device and very unique kind of device with unique setup and very big torch. So that's all for now guys. If you like this video, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to get more such videos in future. So guys, till then, thanks for watching guys.